Many of our clients come to us trying to figure out how they can improve their energy levels so that they can manage the challenges of career, family, travel, and staying healthy. As I trek through the jungles of Costa Rica with our children on my shoulders, I reflect on how fortunate I am to have such amazing energy levels. To be able to hike through the jungle for hours and not even break a sweat is truly a luxury. To do it with ease is almost unthinkable. Being able to carry them to places they could never make it on their own is priceless. Nothing is as precious as seeing the beauty of nature through their eyes. How they lit up with joy the first time that we rounded the corner and saw those amazing waterfalls. At 49, it's amazing to feel this good. I find these days staying in shape doesn't take much effort as it's become my way of life and a form of maintenance.
Solamente yo comer entre 2 en la tarde y 10 en la noche. Pero ahora yo estoy comiendo todo el día porque yo quiero comer mucho comida de Costa Rica.
That day, we hiked so far and for so long that we began and ended our journey with huge traditional Costa Rican meals. Amazingly, I came back weighing less than before I left. One of the great joys I get out of owning Rewind is that I get to help people find better health so that they too can enjoy trips like these. We get to transform their energy levels, body, and mind so that they can enjoy a healthier life. From Costa Rica, this is Brian Burke. See you in our next video blog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Rewind Anti-Aging of Miami YouTube account for more health and wellness tips.